You know what is the best part of your day now? You just clicked on this video. Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. I'm back again. As we all know, you can't go back in time in order to erase your old personality and get a brand new one. However, you can start a new beginning, like if you tend to rebuild your house step by step. It takes time and energy, struggle. It's a battle you step into to become a totally different person, but it's a worth living experience. A lot of challenges will be waiting for you and ups and downs along the way as well. In the end of all of that, you will be proud of who you are now and who you become. If you don't know me, welcome aboard. I'm Mac, and I'm sharing each week some tips about how to be the best version of yourself. So let's be flexible enough and strive our desire to be more confident. The first secret to gain your self-confidence back is be willing to change first. It has been said, if you put it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. It's true. In order to reverse your life down, you have to set your mind to it. I underline 3 times these words. You have to set your mind to it. It's a significant key for changing. You can't flip that overnight. It takes a constant mental, psychological struggle. The hardest battle is against yourself and your dark side. Quitting is not an option and will never be. You are allowed only to rest but not to quit. Once you quit, it becomes a habit. Changing old you to a new better version of you, it's a tough experience at the first, challenging in the middle, but worth living in the end. So look at yourself in the mirror each morning and repeat these words. I'm confident, I'm worthy, I'm smart enough, I'm unstoppable, invincible, and I deserve more. End of the story, and work for it. The second habit that you need to break as soon as you can is stop comparing yourself to others. The comparison is the main reason why our happiness vanished into thin air. I call it thief of joy. Why you compare yourself with others knowing that God has created us differently, even in our fingerprint? You are unique in the way you are. You wouldn't be unique if you have what they have or you look the way they look. You have something different. It might be more valuable than what they have. Just dig deep inside yourself. Step out of your comfort zone. By doing something you have never done, you will turn into a new person you have never thought you would be. Then surely you will find what defines you and discover your real worth. I recommend comparison only if it fires you up to work harder than you do, otherwise you stop. The third secret is work on your appearance. It has been said, dress well first, because I don't know how attractive your personality is. A lot of studies have shown that people who take care of their appearance have more confidence and more respected by others. Being a good-looking person reflects a mature thinking and ability of being active and responsible. That is why personal care is necessary for everyday living, such as eating, bathing, grooming, dressing. These fruitful habits will boost your self-esteem and make people respect you at the first sight. Deliver the first positive impression by dressing classy, modern. Dress based on your skin color, heights, as all. And the fourth and the final tip is fitness. I have been through that a lot of times. Working on your body has various benefits, not only a sharp body, but also a good mental health, more confidence, high self-esteem. Fitness addicted are well reputed because they deliver a subconscious message to others of dedication, commitment, putting into practice more than talking. The feelings after a session of workout is the best feeling ever. Feelings of pride, self-satisfaction, and self-respect. All I can say is by sticking to these tips as long as you can, you will notice how your confidence level increase subconsciously. Then once you see the results, you will strive for more outcome. So don't waste these minutes of your life and put them into practice. Get a membership, dig up how I can dress properly and the best grooming tips, and good luck. With all that being said, if you could change one thing in your life using these advices, what would it be and what would happen as a result? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications, and see you guys.